Hello, this is Scott. Today I want to show you the SPC Accelerator, the Statistical Process Control Accelerator. So what you're looking at right now is a dashboard, a visual dashboard with interactive capability, the ability to design controls, whatever you want, whether it be click down menu options. For example, as I just showed, this is an X chart type. So I'm doing statistical process control on my data, and then I can select the type of chart that I want, whether it be an X bar, individual, exponentially weighted moving average. And so everything is available with just a click there. And then as we'll see, you can see now the exponentially weighted moving average. And I can go back. Let me just show you something with the individuals chart again. As I said earlier, this is all interactive. So if I want to understand this data point right here, then I can literally zoom in on that data point, and then I can look at where that data point is coming from. So here is the actual point that I have highlighted. The violation types is it's beyond the warning limits, but it hasn't reached the out of control limits. That's one of the things that you can do here. You can set different measurements. There you have, now I'm using the length as my variable, and I can again brush these. I can look at these out of control limits. Here are my out of control points, and what I just highlighted. I can also do sample batch identifiers here. I can select the ID or the cause or action. I can create different center lines, right? I can define my own line, let's suppose a median baseline, or I can use the default, which is the mean. I can change my control limits. So the user has full functionality and capability within the platform itself. If I want specification limits, I can use specification limits. And then we have those as well. And those are colored up here. The points are, whether they violated or not. So what this allows you to do is you have all of this capability within an interactive dashboard. What you're not seeing is the fact that the dashboard itself is not calculating these values. In fact, what's happening is we have a full data science workbench that's calculating all of this for us in these easily created data flows that can be done. So by simply dropping objects onto the canvas, I can create these workflows. Here, this is the Spotfire SPC charts workflow that's calculating everything that we're visualizing within the dashboard. This allows for a data scientist or an engineer to construct whatever they might want. Here, a process engineer creates this outflow, and then they can present it to any end user via this interactive dashboard. The user can then do what we were just going through and then return any information. They can annotate even as well within the platform. If I want to collaborate, I just click on that. I add a comment and say Sarah. And I can post that comment. The next step might be, once you have statistical process control, is to do a DOE or something more from SPC. You may want to move into different types of QC charts, configurable, including multivariate quality control, anything that's predictive into process analysis, into DOE. And again, all of these things are available once I create them within Workbench, Data Science Workbench, Then I can make those available for consumption in Spotfire. And essentially, it's just a data function that is configurable to the user. I can look at the parameters and the outputs as well. All done within one data science and interactive capability design.